Look what came today. Well, actually, it came Tuesday. I've been waiting for, I don't know, since November the 16th for this thing. That's when we pre-ordered it. And it finally came. I've seen all kinds of videos popping up on YouTube about people getting their Zinos and the firmware issues and all the debates. And I'm just excited. It's getting kind of late. I'm not going to be able to fly it today, but I just want to open it up and see what's in the box.
Yeah, I think you have to cut the tape, Dad.
Is there tape?
Yeah.
Where?
On the back. See right there?
Oh, cut the tape. Get a knife.
You want me to go get it? So guys, here's the box. It looks pretty good. It outclasses his other drone by like $100, so it should be pretty good.
Hubsan fan for a couple of years now. Been flying
He wanted a Mavic.
the 501S, and you know, for the price and what this thing does, the Mavic
Was his dream
was
drone.
my dream drone. I can't justify paying $1,000 for a drone. So, like everybody has seen, you know, there's some empty boxes here just as packing. We'll just take these out.
And there it is.
And there is the drone.
Has,
And isn't she a beauty?
is it a she?
Yeah. Always a she. Take the little cardboard prop holders off.
Sorry if this video is kind of shaky.
It's kind of shaky and it's kind of raw. We're not gonna spend too much time editing it. I just wanted everybody to see. I'm super excited. I've seen some good videos, some good
Reviews.
and then I've
Dad, they're at the bottom too.
seen some bad reviews.
What's the good to reviews to bad reviews?
Good reviews. A lot of them are the price point for what it does. Coming in at just under $400. I think I paid $4 something with tax. I didn't get in on the first deal. You can't beat it. It doesn't have some of the bells and whistles that the DJI has, but you know, so what? Just you know, who needs?
A DJI Pro that's made by Hubsan?
No, it's not. But who needs avoidance optical sensors and stuff like that? Hey, those things are great, but
You gotta learn how to fly it.
you gotta learn how to fly. And I guess I'd still consider myself an amateur or a novice. But look, there she is.
Can I get a close up?
Pick it up. It's got some good weight to it.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. It's like
You know?
heavier than my phone.
I don't know if the battery.
You think it's as heavy as the Nintendo Switch? Huh?
How do you know about that?
I don't.
Huh?
Did you spoil that for me?
No, you just spoiled it for
No,
yourself.
I didn't.
Yeah, you looked.
No, I swear I didn't, Dad.
Anyways,
I
we'll
promise.
talk about that later. But super excited. Can't wait to take her out for a test fly. It's gonna be a while. I'm working 12s. It might be sometime next week. The weather's about to get crappy here, and we'll see.
We'll post a video whenever he first flies it.
We'll post
Does this have a camera on it?
Post some videos. You know, right here. This is what makes it all worthwhile. This is. It's turned around backwards, but I guess it doesn't matter. I'm not going to fool with it. There it is. I'll go ahead and take that off. 4K camera. You can shoot in 4K video with a 3-axis gimbal.
Can you tilt the gimbal while you're flying it?
You can. You can tilt the gimbal while you're flying it. And that comes up to one point that I've got is you see all these crash compilations. You know, they're crashing these $2,000, $1,000 drones. And what I see so many people doing, and I'm gonna try to not be guilty of it myself, is panning the camera. You're trying to look at that. You're trying to see what's going on through the camera while you're in close proximity of trees and obstacles like that, and bam, they crash thousands of drones like that. So I'm gonna try not to do it.
Get out the remote.
But I've seen so many videos on this. I know where everything goes: SD card, battery. I don't know.
And a micro USB or USB-C.
Micro USB.
So pretty much old Samsung phones use micro USB. So if you ever need an extra, you probably have a few.
And here's the.
That's a small one.
It's a small remote, but.
Put your phone right there.
Put your phone right there. And
That could fit a tablet,
you know,
like a mini tablet.
Almost fit a mini tablet. People were complaining about the lettering on the controller was in white. They didn't do it in black, which it's fine. Everybody knows it's in sport mode. So I'm just gonna put it on normal mode right now, so I don't forget. And you got your record button here. You've got your picture button here, and this is how you turn the gimbal while you're flying. And these turn, and you can.
Wait, so Dad, are you telling me this has a 4K camera that can swivel?
4K camera that can swivel.
So it's way better than the Hubsan.
So it's way better than H501.
Yeah. So this is a Hubsan.
Got auto
Zino.
return, auto takeoff. And I guess you got I guess, does this thing take batteries? Or do you? That's a good question. I guess you charge this remote.
Dad, these blades are way heavier than the blades.
Anyways, we'll get to this later. It's getting late. Thanks for watching. Over and out.